Hello, I'm Marcelo. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the points of articulation. The question is, what are the points of articulation? The third point of articulation classifies speech sounds in terms of where in the vocal tract the shape of the vocal tract is altered. Number 1, consonant bilabials. The consonant bilabials are consonants for which the flow of air is stopped or rested by the two lips. The principal bilabial letters are letter P, for example, pet. Letter B, for example, bed. Letter M, for example, maid. Consonant labiodentals. The consonant labiodental sounds are those sounds made by articulation of the upper teeth towards the lower lip. There are two labiodentals. The following letters are letter F, for example, flow. Letter B, for example, bang. Consonant interdentals. Interdentals are consonants for which the flow of the air is rested by catching the tongue between the teeth. The principal symbols are letter F, for example, think. Letter F, for example, those. Consonant alveolars. Alveolar sounds are those sounds made by the articulation of the tip of the tongue towards the alveolar ridge. The alveolar letters, the principal alveolar are letter F, for example, think. Letter F, for example, catcher. Letter F, for example, cage. Letter V, for example, door. Letter S, for example, soup. Letter S, for example, soup. Letter N, for example, nail. Letter L, for example, large. Consonants alveopalatus. A consonant alveopalatus are for which the flow of air is stopped or impeded by creating a block of a small aperture between the tongue. The principal letters are letter F, for example, shoes. Letter F, for example, vision. Letter R, for example, rope. Letter G, for example, yard. The last one is consonant velar. The velar are consonants for which the flow of air is stopped or impeded by creating a block or a small aperture. The following samples: the letter K, for example, key. Letter G, for example, get. Letter H, for example, hammer. Letter M, for example, nurse. And letter W, for example, Washington. That's all, folks. I hope this video is your complete pleasure. Thanks for watching. Bye.